Hey guys, how's it going? It is iPod Touch Pros X here, and I'm playing an app called Chicken Story. This app is pretty fun actually. I'm gonna do a playthrough on it, starting from 1. Okay, well, I haven't played this in a while, so I'll have to refresh my memory. Okay, so you hit the guys and it hits them. You have to get worms. Oh, sorry, my bad. You have to hatch the egg first. And this guy basically cuts the rope, so the little chickens die. So you have to hit him, hatch the egg, and then when the egg is hatched, feed the worms to the chicken, and then the chicken will get big, fly away, and you beat the level. So it takes it takes quite a while sometimes. It depends. One level took me a while, not because it was hard, but because just there was quite a few of them, and yeah. Now, by my knowledge, you can let him cut the rope for a bit. It's not like it'll fully cut. So, if he's cutting the rope for a couple seconds, I don't think anything will happen. Alright. Yeah, but this app is actually pretty fun. It is free, I believe. I'm not sure, it might be paid. Oh, okay, there we go. So he flew away. Let's continue. Okay, now there's 3 eggs. Okay. To be honest, I think this was the one that took me a while. Oh, hatched, okay. That was quick. My strategy is to get the eggs all hatched and then feed. I think it's easier. Follow you. Alright. Now the worms just keep spawning, so it's not like there's an end to them. And my strategy for feeding is one at a time. Not one at a time, but one through. Like I'll do one, then move to the next chicken, and so on. See if I can fit that in. Yeah. I fit it in, okay. So, this app is sort of time consuming, but, it's definitely fun. Yeah, and I didn't get him in there. So, now the guys are hats with helicopter things. That's different. Not even giving him a chance to get close. Yeah, that's right. Walk all the way over there. Oh. Eat up. Okay. If you're gonna ask if it gets repetitive, I guess. Maybe. I mean, this is all I'm on yet. We'll see. Maybe they add some spice into it and it'll be fun. And I don't mean literally spice. I think you know what I mean. Forget it. Alright. Oh, and he's off. Now that's awesome. I love seeing that. It's cool. Yep, bye-bye. Alright, and you're next, buddy. Enjoy the ride. That's it. Good game. Awesome. Now let's see this one. I wonder if it's different or just more chickens. Yep, oh, 2 guys. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Watch me fail. Watch me fail. Oh, jeez, hit him. What are you doing? Oh, man. Look at that. It's not even fully hatched. Okay, this level's trickier. For sure. Yeah, what, wait, what? Oh, it's half hatched. Yeah, that makes sense. One is fully hatched and the other's half hatched. I guess I wasn't on it long enough. Okay. Anyways. Imagine this guy right here. Yeah, done. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the heck? I click it and it doesn't go on right away. That's weird. No chance. No chance. I really do hope that they add some stuff in and it just doesn't get harder like this. Meaning, like, maybe they add different colors of chickens, or I don't know, you know, something different. Because if it just stays like this, it might be a bit repetitive. We'll see. I don't think it'll stay like this, but I don't know. Don't go. Oh, okay, good. It actually makes it a lot easier since they don't always go for the first string or wire, whatever it is. You know, they usually go up here. If they went for the first one, that'd definitely be a lot trickier. Alright, I got my round. I fed everyone once or twice, whatever. Let's go again. Hit it. Jeez. Oh yeah, helicopter time. Okay, this guy's going down with a pan. Where does he pull the pan out of? His belly? Doesn't make sense. But it's a game. Games don't make sense, right? Anyways. Okay. And I'm just gonna hit this guy. Never mind. Can't. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'll hit him now. What happens to the worm when I hit them? I don't understand. It leaves my mouth? Doesn't make any sense. Looks like I'm gonna have to feed him. Oh, go for the high one, attaboy. Yeah, perfectly smart. Perfectly smart, does that mean anything? Next, chicken. There we go, we got the big boy. Big boy with dots on his face. Okay. Alright, alright. Pretty good, pretty good. See, I wouldn't call this hard, I just call this time consuming. But hey, don't quote me on that because I guarantee you this is gonna get hard. It is trickier though, definitely. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, one more round and my chickens are off. Oh, and by the way, I'm probably going to make this a series if you can't already tell by the title. Bang. Oh, and he's off. Wait, what? Why'd I feed him? Oh my god. Whatever, it does. I don't think it makes no difference. Actually, I know it makes no difference. Okay, you're in. Bye-bye, buddy. Wait, what? I'm a little bit confused. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna feed this guy, and then you can't cut his wire. Let's see how that works. Ha ha ha. Sucker. Same with this guy. I'm gonna feed him, and then you can't cut it. Bye-bye. Good day, sir. Alright. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, hey. Come on. Really? Hatch. Yes. Good. This is gonna take a while. I'm warning you all. This level will take a while. Man, I don't even know what level I am. Let me see this. Sound, mute. Yeah, forget it. Wow, I don't know. Whatever. 4, I think. I don't know. Go ahead, cut the wire. I dare you. I double dare you, mother. Huh? The boondocks. Okay. Should I fit in this next egg? I don't know. Yeah, yeah. You know what? I'm doing it. Too bad. Yeah, they ain't stopping me. They can't stop me. Who we kidding? Alright, fit in that one, and it's on to feeding. To be honest, I don't remember if this app is free or not. You'd have to check it, but whatever. Free or paid, definitely a good one. When I got this app, it was free, but, you know, things change, so. Thought I fed this, buddy. I gotta say, this game definitely relies on momentum. I mean, you get momentum and it's a lot easier. If you just start off, you probably won't do so good, so. Momentum, I think, is key in this game. Game, app, whatever. Feed them. Snacks. Wait a minute, I think there's different cities, so yeah, actually this is probably gonna get interesting. Different background. Cool stuff, man. Alright, you grew. Alright, I'm fitting it in. I'm fitting it, never mind. No, I'm not fitting it in. I want perfect. Bye-bye. Now this is going in, I don't care. Form is going down your throat. Perfect. That was quick, actually. Okay, next. Man, I haven't heard that once, actually. Bak bak bak. Okay. Right up here. A lot of clicking, eh? I don't know, actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can hear it. I was gonna say, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. There's no reason why you can't hear it, so. Yeah, you can hear it. And man, this is long. I still got two more, levels, I guess. Well, not levels, but two more chicken growths to go. Chicken growth. You know what would be cool? Upgrades. Upgrade that pot to like a hammer, and it'd work faster. That'd be cool. They should add that. Game creator, if you could hear this, I would add the upgrade in the game. I doubt there is. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. There might already be, but I don't think there is. 1, 2,